Here's what we do. We become loving towards all of life, grateful for all that we have, and benevolent. So benevolence is an attitude in which we are gracious towards all of life and all of its creation. Benevolence then is a way of looking at the world. One can also be benevolent towards oneself. To be benevolent towards oneself. To be merciful towards oneself. People are safer to be with who are merciful towards themselves. Because vicious people, what they do is they project it outward onto you, see? So unless a person is kind to themselves, learns how to be kind to themselves, they're not really safe to be with, because that can turn on you any second. So we want to teach people to be easygoing with themselves, to be accepting of your own limitations without going into guilt and self-hatred, without becoming self-punitive, to be kindly towards oneself. You can't be kindly towards others if you're not kindly towards yourself. You can go through the gestures of it, but you're not really being it. So being it means that what you would wish for others, you now wish and employ towards yourself. You talk about being kind and understanding and helpful to others. Now what's important is that you be that way to you. Is everyone here kind and loving and benevolent towards themselves? Are we? Anybody hate yourself? Boo, I hate anybody who hates himself. We have to kill anybody who hates himself. We don't want any. All right, so being benevolent and compassionate towards all of life and all of its expressions. To be compassionate towards all of life and all of its expressions, including its expression as you, then is the very heart and source of a spiritual erudition, see, which does not require any book. It merely realizes the kindness towards yourself and towards others is what uplifts mankind. Because the way you uplift mankind, people say, what can I do to help mankind? What you can do is to be the highest being you can be, to be as kind and considerate towards all of life and all of its expressions. You see, the beauty of all exists. Some things have to be displayed, like these flowers. So stunning before you finally see it. But then after a while, you see it in every living thing. You see it in every tree. And I think we've asked this question before. Let's ask, I'll see if I have this question. I have permission to ask this question. Is this: every living thing is aware of the divinity of your existence as you walk by. Resist. Every living thing, every tree, all the grass, all living things are aware that you have walked by. Wow. Therefore, just to be in what you are uplifts the world. You don't have to run out there and sign up for pledges for things. You just be what you are to the fullest capacity. Appreciate with joy your own existence, your own creation. We thank thee, O Lord, for our existence. We thank you for our creation. By being thankful for our own creation, we bless all of creation. Amen.